Grow Something Different. Success with Unusual Plants by Nick Ray. So this is part of the Gardener's World series. It's about growing something different, and Nick Ray, who is a well-known as a presenter on Gardener's World, shows how by looking at your garden's climate and those odd nooks and crannies you can discover the ideal place for growing really a spectacular plant. Right, this book has a variety of different chapters. We've got the introduction, we've got discovering your garden's potential, sunny places, tender plants, hardy plants, desert plants, and then we've got shady places, and then it includes a weather map. So it does depend on the climate that you live, and I guess, yeah, it depends on the climate that you live in, depending on what you can grow. So it goes through, you know, seasons, things that you need to take into consideration when you buy your house or when you're looking at your garden, to be able to see what kind of plants you'd be able to grow. And it shows you a bit about, you know, is this a south facing, north facing garden? Can you use the wall that you have, like the buildings, the walls? Are there spaces that you can use? What kind of soil that you have, and looking at any pests as well. So we've got sunny places, things that sunny places in your garden and the type of plants that you will be able to plant there. And it gives you a couple, or more than a couple, of examples where you may be in a cooler climate, but you've got a sunny spot that stays a lot warmer. So it's really giving you alternatives and things that you can potentially grow in your climate, or it might be that you need to take them in. There may be plants that you need to take in, hardy and sun loving plants, and it gives you a good range of examples of sunny and hardy, shade-loving plants, sun-loving plants, their feeding, planting, protection during the winter. And I mean, here we have two seasons, the dry season and the rainy hurricane season. So even in that, we still need to, or for me, I still need to look at what plants I'm planting, where, you know, is this a shade-loving plant? Does this like semi-shade, and we've got desert plants here as well. Does it need protection? I mean, I find in the dry season my aloes plant sometimes suffers, even though they like the sun. And then more plants to try. I think I would have liked more imagery from all the plants. So not all the plants are shown visually, so to be able to know what it looks like in the book. I think if you were talking about a particular plant, then have them in the book. Moisture loving plants. But again, it's useful if you want some ideas of some plants to try. Yeah, for a gardening book. I mean, I guess that then would make it really thick. But let's see what else we've got at the back. Woodland plants, and then other varieties of plants that you can try. And then this has got the maps, but you can see it's for you know, UK and different parts of the UK and the rainfall. So if you're anywhere else in the world, but it's as it says, you know, it's nice to be able to grow some tropical looking plants. So this is if you're in the UK and you want to grow something different, and it gives you a wide range of things, examples of plants that you can try depending on where you are.